Teachers, week 25, life cycles, first grade. We're going to make this little lily pad life cycle right here that I have. I'm going to show you the steps. It turns, it shows the kids the different steps, and this is really hard to do with one hand. So we're going to start with the eggs, and then they write a little sentence there. So I'm going to go through this right now. I'm going to get my iPad adjusted so we can see what's going on. Okay, I'll have your paper ready for you. We're going to use some blue paper for the bottom because it represents water. We're going to use some green paper for the lily pad on top. And then I have this little pattern here of the life cycle of frogs, and there's nothing on it, and they're out of order. So the kids will have to put them in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then write a little sentence about it, and I'll give you those sentences. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut out my little eggs. That's the first step. And I'm going to do this very quickly, and it's not going to be real neat. And I'm going to glue it in. You know, always teach your kids to do dot, dot, dot so they don't get too much glue. And I'm going to glue it in one. I'm going to cut out the next one. I want you to notice that this tadpole right here doesn't have any legs. And this tadpole here is beginning to get his legs. So the correct one is going to be this little one right here. And dot, dot, dot. Takes very little Elmer's glue if you teach them right. And you can keep bottles all year instead of buying glue sticks, which don't last. Now I'm going to get that little frog right there, or that little tadpole that's beginning to get his legs. He goes in number 3 slot. And then when you look at these two frogs that are left, I have this little frog that's still in the water, and then this frog's sitting up on land. So this is the next frog. And you need to be telling the kids why this is a progression here of that frog still in water. He still can't get out on land. And then we have our last pie piece, and he's sitting on land. Now, if you want the kids to color it before they put it in the pie, that's fine. It doesn't matter. I did color my frogs after I put them in here, before I put my lily pad on top. When it's just like this, I went ahead and colored it.